Every few weeks, a headline drops. AI passes the bar exam. AI writes code better than junior developers. AI discovers new drugs. And every time, the same question follows. Are we building something that will eventually think for itself? Are we 5 years from Skynet, or is this just hype dressed up as prophecy? Let's decode it. First, let's get the definition straight. The AI you use today, ChatGPT, Siri, image generators, is called narrow AI. It's extraordinary at specific tasks, but it can't transfer that skill. Your chess engine can't write a poem. Your translation app can't drive a car. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is the hypothetical next level, a system that can learn and reason across any domain the way a human can, not just pattern matching, actual understanding, adapting, improvising. And beyond that, there's ASI, Artificial Superintelligence, a system smarter than every human combined. That's the Skynet scenario, but we're getting ahead of ourselves. So where are we on the road to AGI? Honestly, nobody agrees. Some researchers say we're 10 to 20 years away, others say 100, a few say it might be impossible. The problem isn't just engineering, it's that we don't have a universally accepted definition of what counts. Is it passing every human exam? Is it scientific discovery? Is it having genuine understanding versus just simulating it convincingly? Today's large language models can ace standardized tests, write legal briefs, and debug software. But ask one to count the number of R's in strawberry, and it stumbles. That gap tells you something important. Current AI has at least 4 major gaps. First, genuine reasoning. Not pattern matching that looks like reasoning, but the ability to work through novel problems from first principles. Second, persistent memory. Today's models start fresh every conversation with no continuous experience of the world. Third, common sense, the kind of intuitive physics and social understanding that a 5-year-old has, but no AI does. You know, a coffee cup placed on the edge of a table might fall. No language model truly understands that. And fourth, self-awareness, not consciousness in the philosophical sense, but a system that knows, what it doesn't, and can plan accordingly. This is where the AI world splits into 2 camps. Camp 1 says, just keep scaling. More data, more compute, bigger models. Intelligence will emerge naturally, the way it seemed to emerge between GPT-3 and GPT-4. Camp 2 says, scaling alone will never get us there. We need fundamentally new architectures, maybe something inspired by how the brain actually works, with genuine world models, not just next token prediction. The honest answer? We don't know yet which camp is right, and that uncertainty is the most important thing to understand about AGI timelines. Now, Skynet. Here's the thing that frustrates AI researchers. The sci-fi scenario of a machine that wakes up, decides humans are a threat, and launches nukes is not what keeps them up at night. The real risks are much more boring and much more immediate. AI systems that amplify bias in hiring and lending. Deepfakes that erode trust in video evidence, autonomous weapons that make war easier to start, surveillance infrastructure that governments can't resist using. These aren't hypothetical. They're happening now. The danger isn't a robot apocalypse. It's humans using powerful but narrow AI carelessly. But there is a deep technical concern worth taking seriously: alignment. If we ever do build something approaching AGI, how do we make sure it wants what we want? This is harder than it sounds. Tell a super intelligent system to maximize happiness, and it might decide the most efficient path is to drug the water supply. The instructions we give need to be robust against every possible misinterpretation. And that's a research problem we haven't solved yet, even at today's narrow AI level. So, realistic timeline? The most honest answer looks like this. We will see AI that is vastly more capable than today within 5 years. Systems that can reason, plan, and use tools fluently. But whether that's AGI or just spectacularly good narrow AI, that depends on definitions. True AGI, the kind that understands the world the way you do, remains an open scientific question with no guaranteed arrival date. Narrow AI, transformative and here. AGI. A serious scientific pursuit, not science fiction, but not around the corner either. Skynet, not how this works. Tomorrow, you point your phone at a little black and white square, and somehow it knows exactly where to send you. How does a QR code pack that much information into a tiny image? That's next. Decoded in 5. Subscribe.